I'm Smita Vijay and this is our restaurant, Ripples Gastro Pub. We felt that having an event like this, for the Pride community is the best way to showcase that love has no boundaries.
Okay, so June being the Pride month, they really wanted to be associated with this noble cause. So Zomato has kind of curated this event, and my dear colleague Akshay has kind of conceptualized this with the beautiful partners like Ripples Restaurant.
And we functioning in Goa from last 8 months. We're looking forward to organize such more noble cause, not only with the LGBT community but through other events also to do with pet or anything that we can come across.
It is about bringing communities together, and as a brand we believe in inclusivity, and this was a perfect platform to celebrate the Pride Month. It is really nice for us to associate with the
As you all know, June is celebrated as the Pride Month all over the world. And so this year in Goa, we have started this thing that we also want to celebrate it with them in June. So this is like, a welcoming hand for the LGBTQ in Goa to come out to celebrate about their existence, to tell people it's okay.
Making a comfortable space where people from community and the allies from outside community can just like have fun together in one place.
You cannot just be in the closet all the time and say I don't match with them or I'm a bit different from them. You've got to learn how to blend in with people. You've got to throw your colors out and join in the crowd. That's about it.
We believe in inclusivity, and this was one step where we could come in all together and get LGBTQ over here, because these kind of events usually never happens in Goa. Across the states, yes, it is pretty easy to have this kind of event, but in Goa something we want to have a platform maybe for these people to come and get together and have this event.